Good morning, guys. It's traveling time again. This morning we're flying to Cebu City. So hi guys, we made it to the airport. So ayan guys, inarrange namin yung breakfast namin dyan kasi packed breakfast yan guys from the hotel kasi yun nga yung ano namin, yung sa hotel namin ay kasali na yung buffet breakfast, kaya lang yun nga, maaga kami sa airport, so nag-request kami na pwede bang packed breakfast. Kasi yung ibang hotel, pwede, sa ibang hotel naman hindi. So buti na lang, shout out sa Seda Ayala Hotel dyan sa Cagayan de Oro City. So, ayan, binigyan nila kami ng favor na ipack ang aming breakfast. Kaya hindi nagutom ang maaarting auntie at uncle nyo guys. Ayan si uncle, oh, may kape na siya. Tapos, ayun, kumakain lang kami ng sandwiches. Tapos, may itlog yata dyan na hard-boiled egg. Tapos, may apple na green apple na super masarap. Ayan ang aming breakfast. I don't think Palablab enjoy this breakfast a lot. So, sabi niya, mamaya na siya kain. Kaya, ako na lang ang bonggang kumain dyan. Busog yata sa Palablab guys kasi ako ang kinain niya for breakfast bago kami pumunta ng airport. Charot lang, kaartihan lang. So ito na nga guys ang aming airplane na sasakyan from Cagayan de Oro City to Cebu. Isa siyang propeller plane, kaya ayan, super liit, super cute. So hi guys, we have now arrived in Mactan Airport, domestic airport. Tapos ang dami ng mga nagbago ko guys. It's been, I don't know, 5-7 years since we were here na nagland pati nag-depart. So ang dami ng mga nice na mga shops, parang ano na siya, parang international standard na yung nila, domestic. Parang lang naman. Pero kulang pa talaga. We're still a bit behind. So hi guys, we're back in Cebu City and ito din yung hotel na binook namin last time nung nandito kami. Where are you going? Kasi, to be frank, may promo sila so it's cheaper. So we're going to be spending it for 3 days. And Ayala's just right across the street. So it's very convenient.
Alright, thank you. Yes, and that was the Astra. So guys, mind you, this is not just a cover group. They are the P-pop group itself. Welcome! Let's all welcome the Astra! Woo! Grabe na!
Susuno, Ginagawa Gastro. Hi all, we are the Astra. Hey guys, I'm Sean, and I'm the main rapper of the group. Nice to meet you all.
Hello guys, I'm Sian. I'm the lead dancer of the group. Yo, what's up? My name is Zai, and I am the main dancer of the group. Hello everyone, my name is Shinji, and I'm the maknae of the group. Hello everyone, I am Jericho. I am the bishop of the group. It's poppin' everyone. Hey, that's it. This is Aaron and I am the leader of the group.
Yes! So, nakapiling na ba magbayas for today? Hi! Wait, ganang ako sa sila nila. Nice to meet you.
So guys, we are in SM Cebu and they are having a P-pop fan fest. So they must be superstars here. I don't really actually know them. So andito na kami sa Ayala guys, tapos andito kami sa kanilang mga, anong tawag dyan, yung mga delicacies, tapos yung mga pasalubong corner pala yun, pasalubong corner, tapos ano nga, natatakot kami ni Palablab bumili ng mga pagkain na may karne at saka yung may mga, basta kahit ano na, kasi nga na-hold nga kami dati, especially na-hold ako last year sa customs dito sa Netherlands, kaya natakot ako kasi masasayang lang yung pera, guys, pag bumili kami ng pagkain tapos i-hold lang nila tapos hindi nila ibibigay. Kaya ayan, sabi ni Palablab, sabi niya kahit konti lang daw magdala. Sabi ko na, ikaw bahala dyan, basta ako hindi na ako magdadala kasi baka ma-blacklist na ako doon sa customs. Kaya ayun, sabi niya sige, magdadala daw siya. Pero ang ending naman yan, hindi kami nakabili ng dried fish o tuyo o daing, kung ano ang tawag dyan, kasi nga mahal yung nandyan sa Ayala, guys. Tapos ayun, sabi ko kay Palablab, bahala ka dyan, basta ako ayokong magdala. So ayan, guys, sumitingin din kami ng mga hopya pang pasalubong. Actually, pasalubong lang para sa amin. Kami lang kakain dyan. Kaya lang, hindi namin masyadong pwedeng damihan kasi nga limited yung timbang sa airplane nga. So may si Palablab 23, almost 30 siya kasi may privileges siya. Ako 23 lang, pero yung gamit namin nasa 21, 22 na yata yung timbang ng aming mga suitcases. So sabi ko na, ikaw na lang ang pwedeng magdala dyan. So ayan, pumipili din kami ng mga Cebu flavors ng mga delicacies. Piyaya, yung one of our favorites. Gustong-gusto niya ni Palablab. Tapos yung ube, especially ube flavor, yan ang kanyang gusto. Ube flavor, parang flavor ko daw. Charot lang. See guys, more popular Cebu
But I was thinking maybe to go to like a supermarket.
This is a supermarket.
Like a real supermarket.
So, hi guys. Ayan guys, ang ating bibilhin. Titikim-tikim lang guys ba? Titikim-tikim. So, hi guys. So, nandito ako na nakapila sa SM para bumili ng turon. I know that I've already tried turon in Camiguin, but last year I've also tried their turon here in SM and it was really good. So, this is worth the wait. And I've asked Palablab to ask if they have the vegetable lumpia over there. Pero wala na siya sa display. So guys, there's also a bakery here next to me. I do really want to try all of their bread and pastry. And it's quite affordable. Too classic. Wala na yung ube? So guys, nakabili kami ng turon guys. Ayan. Palablab is trying it lang. And I like it. The one kami was also nice.
Japanese.
Nagutom ulit ang maarteng auntie nyo guys at uncle nyo guys. Kaya pumunta kami sa food court. At saka dyan sa food court meron kami nakitang lechon. Kaya sabi ko dito na tayo kumain kasi aalis na tayo ng Pilipinas soon. So guys, we are ready to eat. He said he wants non-Filipino, so he gets non-Filipino. He gets shakies. This is just his snacks. So yung binili pala namin guys ay 1/2 lang na lechon belly. Tapos yung lechon belly was, yung kilo was 1,400. Same lang yung presyo sa Cagayan kasi ano lang sila tawag dyan, yung parang franchise ba. So kasamang kumpanya lang. So, ang sarap-sarap ng skin, guys. Very crispy. Tapos, sinasawsaw namin sa suka na may konting sili. Kaya, ayun, naglalaway na ba kayo, guys? Parang ang sarap-sarap, guys. Sabi ni Palablap, ang sarap ng lechon. Sing sarap ko daw. Charot! So, ayan guys, enjoy lang namin yung mga few moments na kumakain kami ng Filipino food kasi pagdating namin sa Europa, walang Filipino food dito na masarap. Sa video. So, ayun na nga guys, si Palablab kumakain na nga ng crispy skin ng lechon belly. Pinapalaway niya yung mga viewers daw, sabi niya palalawain daw niya sina Itzien. Kaya ayun, sabi ko sige, I'll take a video of you eating the crispy pork. So ayan yung lechon belly. So ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang ang aming vlog kasi i-enjoy namin yung dinner namin kasi nga kailangan na din naming umalis. Pagkatapos namin mag-dinner, super busog kami, super sarap-sarap ng pagkain Pilipino, miss na natin yan. Kaya ayan, hanggang dito na lang. Bye! It has been your maarteng auntie. Bye-bye!